Hi, I'm Taylor with BTOD.com. Today we're going to do an unboxing and assembly of the remanufactured Steelcase Think V1 by BTOD.com.
Shopping for office chairs? BTOD TV is your #1 resource for everything office chairs. Subscribe today so you don't miss out on any of our future content.
And that was the unboxing and assembly of the remanufactured Steelcase Think V1 chair by BTOD.com. If you have any further questions, please visit us at the Learning Center at BTOD.com. Thanks for watching.